Actually, from my cousin, because he lives in Singapore, and some of his friends want to come here, so I joined. Well, our flight actually couldn't land because of the bad weather, so that was not so good, but it's okay. It flew back to Lombok and then back to Aguamacho, and then we could land. And then we took a photo, and it was nice
Besides the Komodo again, what other activities
The Komodo Dragon. It was really cool. I think the best thing was walking up the Pada. Yes, I think that was the best thing.
besides the Komodo Dragon, what other activities you enjoy in Labuan Bajo?
I enjoyed eating the smoothie bowl up there. And we went snorkeling. And I saw sea turtles.
Then I went to the pharmacy.
Very nice.
Did you face any stone or have you come to planning your
I ate something that wasn't so good today, but it's okay. I think it's over. And we tried to get some cash, but it didn't work because of the card. But it's
What do you think about
but other than that, it was perfect.
to make Labuan Bajo or
Even though it's
can even be the destination for tourists?
sunny south.
Well, for me personally, I would like to have a helmet every time I get
Oh yeah,
because there was 2 times the big
2 times.
but other than that, I really like it.
Oh yeah.
We're staying at the hotel a bit further down.
Thanks for your outing and when you come back, can you take a picture?
Yeah.
When you come back to camp.
When? First I'm going to Bali tomorrow. And then I'm gonna stay there for 10 days. And then I'm gonna go back to Singapore and then back home on the 23rd.
Okay, like this. What do you think about the local people? Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Very friendly.
Thank you for the tour of the Pagban. Selena, sorry. I'm sorry. And comment Labuan Bajo and
Yeah, I would definitely recommend it.
you can take this time and you can take a picture with you.